good. You good?
Okay.
You zeroed? You zeroed?
Yes. Are you not leaving yet? And I'm not done yet. There you go. Okay. I'll tell you when you go if you don't mind. That way I'll
upload stuff. It's not like there's a lot in this one.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow, it's hot in here.
Stuck, you know, have my seatbelt on.
Stage 4 becomes our special stage 3 with the property owners. So as soon as heavy sweep clears, we will start escorting them back to their property.
I wanted to try to get the negative load while we had that. Otherwise, it's too hard to keep track of which one's loaded and which one's happening. So how many cars started?
25.
And that was confirmed?
Yes.
So did we miss anybody? Or that was what we had before?
We had started 27, like at the very start of the race.
Yeah, we had 26.
And then we lost 2, so we got 25. We lost 20 and 9.
Yeah, so we called about that. Yeah, because that other guy was after. Yeah, so 25 cars. Well, 25 total. Well, I tell you what, Heavy must have been pulling that guy fast. You know? Because we pulled in and we were still working out our, calling ourselves in. Send it. Where is it?
He's not taking pictures of us.
He takes good pictures. Yes, he does. Wake me up when you get to the end. I think I got like 3 hours of sleep last night. 4 hours maybe. Plus I took a Dramamine. Does not help.
Does that help sleepiness or does not help?
Yeah, it makes you tired.
Oh, yeah. Well, I would think that I take Dramamine too when I do races.
Yeah.
Just for the motion sickness stuff too. And, you know, with so much going on, it doesn't usually affect me because there's so much other stuff going on.
Yeah, I think that's true. I've just heard that it makes you sleepy. I'm always exhausted at the end of a rally.
Yeah.
Every rally I say, okay, I'm not going to drink too much and I'm going to go to bed early. Last night I had 2 liquor drinks after talking to Matt for a while.
Yeah.
Needed it. So there's nothing wrong with this stage, you know?
No.
The road holds up great. It's a beautiful stage. nice. It's nice, smooth road.
Yeah.
This thing's driving like a limo on this stuff. It is. It feels good. I put new Bilsteins on my my Excursion. Boy, did that make a difference. My front shocks were just gone on that thing. My back ones were fine, but I replaced those with I put some Kayabas on the back. KYBs.
Yeah, like I said, I definitely need new tires on it. I just want to do a whole tire, suspension, wheels upgrade on this thing at some point. Get something a little more, because it's really, really stiff in general. Like, this thing is super stiff.
But it's doing fine because you got some weight in it. You know, it's doing all right. I think you that one bump and sort of just did that. It's pretty nice. Just starting in.
Slippy.
Okay, in 20 you've got narrow. You're gonna stay left. Do not hit that hole. Second now, but this mileage is off again. His miles really suck, man. It's way up. Here it comes around this corner. So stay tidy on your left. And then the finish somewhere, because the mileage is so far off.
Somewhere up here.
So it's like, you know, like less than half a mile now. Control. This is fast sweep. Please be advised that we have finished stage 2 KN4 ACY.